Thank you very much for joining me again. You know, this iPhone series Apple sold as a titanium. If you remember, Apple sold iPhone 15 as in titanium. That was a big point of sale for that series. So look at this. I just unboxed it, and let's see it is a titanium or not. You can hear the sound. That is the plastic bag, and the sides are titanium, but it is the real titanium or is enough strong to observe the shock or those things. You look at the bag is still in plastic. So just for a moment, just put aside that thing, and here's a big thing which I'm going to show you. So this packet I got this morning from one of my friends. So let's unbox and see. Look at this. Can you imagine what happened to this phone? And believe me, that is iPhone 15. So look at this, how it's bits and pieces. So this is the sides. Look at this is a so-called titanium side, but it's not that strong titanium. You can easily bend from the hand. And look at this, the button are still clicking, which means these are the side. This is the side. So let's see what else. So look at the battery condition. It's totally damaged. I don't know what happened to that thing, but look at this. It's crazy. It's totally done actually, the battery. So let's open the box again and see what are the other parts. There's the back side of the screen, and this is totally done. Of course, this is the cloth it should be. So let's put on the table and see what's. So this is the back of the iPhone 15. So let's see. I think they made glass bag which is more durable than the sides. So look at this. This is the one side of the titanium, and this is a Taptec engine. If you see, this magnetic things is coming out from the Taptec engine. Look at this. So let's take the glass again, and see, it's the glass, but this is a more durable than the sides. So these are the titanium pieces, and the other thing is a SIM card cover, and that is the body of the titanium. This is a SIM card cover also. So here's the SIM tray. Look like that the phone brutally have some accident or something. Look at this, something's coming off the SIM card. So these all the parts. This is the camera, back camera thing. This is the side. You can see the curves on this thing. So it's totally done. I mean, it's not that strong titanium. And this is the camera ring of the back camera. So here's the motherboard. Let's see what's happened to the motherboard. Look at on the one side, these are the flexes, and if you see this corner is broken, and the top you can see this connector is damaged, which is not repairable. I mean, it can be, but it's not worth, because the guy don't have any stuff, important stuff. He has a backup, he said. So look at on the back side. This is aluminum plate is coming from there, and yeah, it is actually kind of done. Well, look at this motherboard still is in comparatively good condition from that. Then look at the battery. So tell me in the comments,